Hello there, stranger.
Welcome to Meresti, human. Welcome to our home. My people call me Vance. I lead this group of weary travelers and outcasts who need a home. And to what do I owe the pleasure of your visit? What you see before you is the last bastion of hope for the downtrodden and misunderstood. It is a sanctuary for the oppressed and a beacon of faith for the tyrannized. We are the remnants of society, cast aside like the clean-picked bones of a hunter's feast. I led my flock beneath the sun-baked sands of the wasteland to keep them safe and teach them my ways. Men of science would call us cannibals, eaters of human flesh. Society labels us as monsters, demons, and the unclean. Humans call for our extermination or reform. Reforming implies something is wrong with us and needs to be eliminated. I think of my teachings as more of an improvement, a way to transcend our cannibalistic nature. Your open-mindedness is very rare for a human. I find that fascinating. Allow me to bolster your insight with a lesson in objectivity. I say we are no longer cannibal, only consuming the blood of our prey. What would that make us in your eyes? Then that is a mystery you will have to solve on your own. In ceremony, each member of the family must speak one of the laws. It is theirs to remember and to enforce. Perhaps from these laws you can discover what we are. Return to me when you are ready.
How'd you get in here? Huh? What do you want? Well, maybe that's because I don't want to be found. Why the heck are you looking for me anyway? You think I don't know that? You think I don't know what I did? I killed them! My own parents! It was the fucking hunger. That thing that's haunted me my entire life. You must think I'm some sort of monster. Help? How can you help? There's something inside me, something completely messed up. I'm a mutant, a fucking freak. The only person I was ever able to talk to was my sister Lucy, and she's gone. No one gives a shit about me except Vance and the family. Can't you understand that? She really misses being home, and she's asked about me in here a lot. I think I had it all wrong. I shouldn't have come here. I bet Lucy is feeling just as bad as me. Please, tell Vance I've made my decision. I'm going home to Arfu. I hope to see you there as well. I'm just gonna gather my stuff together and say my goodbyes, then I'll head on back.
It appears we have a lot to speak about. I hear that you decided to speak to Ian regardless of my warnings. Be that as it may, I am still interested in what you conversed about. Did he come to a decision? It saddens me to lose one of my flock, but I believe everyone has to follow their own path. All I was attempting to do was guide him. Now it seems that responsibility has fallen upon you. I hope you will be more successful. Please, I want you to take this. Consider it as an apology to you for all the hardships you had to endure finding this place. Goodbye, human. Our time together has been rather educational.
Well, well. I haven't had a customer in a while. Last one I had was a bit chewy. Know what I mean? If your caps are good, you can buy whatever you like. Beats standing there drooling all over the merchandise. Give me a shout if you need anything else. Say it ain't so.
Good. I'd hate to have Vance angry when he's inducting someone into the family.
I hope you killed every last one of those bastards. There he is, the hero of the day. I know. I talked to Ian, and he told me everything you did. I don't know how you did it, but goddamn am I glad you walked up that ramp and lent us a hand. Thanks again, kid. Consider yourself welcome back here any time you're in this part of the wastes. I've been saving up stuff for emergencies, in case things with Overhaul got tremendously bad. You're welcome to some of it if you like. Come on back soon. I may have some stuff for you.
Hey there. How the hell did you get in here? I suppose you can't be all that bad if you made it this far without dying. This is the part where you tell me what the hell you are doing bothering an old man who obviously wants to be left alone. Get on with it already. I live here. It's where I do my work, and it's far away from Dr. Lee and all those other monkeys dressed up like scientists. You made it past my defenses, which proves you aren't a dummy. And you haven't killed me, so I suppose you aren't here to do that. I suppose you can hang around if you want. Just don't touch anything. The secret kind. Well, if you must know, I'm an electrician and computer expert, and I'm a bit of a surgeon. Really, the most gifted scientist you'll find. I'm the guy that got Rivet City up and running in the first place. And after all that, Lee and her gang of flunkies pushed me out. Ha! Project Purity, indeed. What a bunch of morons. They can't even clean some water. What are you talking about, boy? I don't know anything about any of that. And, what did you call it? An android? What's that? Fine, whatever. This android calls himself Harkness now. Comes in and wants a memory job. I took new memories and replaced his old ones. Don't believe anyone's done that before. Certainly not down here. That Commonwealth tech isn't all that fancy when it comes down to it. I'm also the only one in the wasteland with the skill and the nerve to perform facial surgery. That android flesh ain't so different than ours. You want proof? I documented the whole thing, so I could rub it in the face of Dr. Lee when I need to rankle her feathers. I hate that snooty bitch. Well, she's got nothing to do with anything except ruining my whole goddamn life. But I can see you don't give a crap about any of that. Fine. It's all in my computer. Here's the password. See for yourself. Hell, just take these pictures and this holotape. Straight from the synth man's lips. Just don't go telling Harkness, though. He won't believe you anyway. And you really don't want to see him upset. He can be a bit inhospitable. Oh, all right. So maybe I didn't wipe his mind like he asked, but I buried it deep. Almost as good, really. But it's still there. Still accessible. All you need to do is use the recall code. Just say to him, activate A321 recall code Violet, and that will activate the hidden subroutines. Most of it's blasted nothing, just like here. But there's talk, rumors mostly, about a place called the Institute. That's where Zimmer and that android came from. God knows what else they got going on in there, but it puts our tech to shame, that's for damn sure. Ha! Why do you think? I wanted to crack open that Commonwealth can opener to see what was inside. There's stuff in there I'd only heard about, and even then I didn't believe it. I can see why that Zimmer feller wanted him back so bad. Don't let your guard down.
Hey there. Tamper with that, and we're going to have a problem.
Decided to check out the shop, eh? If you want any of this shit, just holler. Here, in Rivet City? I'm packing, and most of the rest of these guys are packing, not to mention security. Need to do some killing, eh? Thanks. If you need more ammo, this is where to get it.
Everything looks okay here.
Good to see you.
Hey there. This place won't clean itself. That's my job.
Lay a hand on Dr. Zimmer and I'll snap your neck like a chicken bone.
The sooner you find my property, the sooner I can get out of this slum. Really, how do you people live like this? Harkness, you say? Yes, that makes sense. He used to work for a special branch of the Commonwealth Police, after all. And he's right here, in Rivet City? Excellent. I must wait, find an opportune moment to confront him. Thank you for your discreet assistance and continued discretion regarding this matter. And now for your payment. This combat module will directly affect your central nervous system. I think you will find it quite beneficial. Let's search a different deck today, Armitage.
Hey.
Is there a problem? Bannon and Dr. Lee and I all meet on Monday mornings to talk about citywide issues. It's pretty informal. The council doesn't have much real power. We're the safest, most secure city in the wasteland. Nothing can get in here without our say-so. She's one of the members of the council. Runs the science lab here. Don't bother her unless it's important. Her lab is in the stern end of the ship. Carry on, then.
Good to see you. Stay away from me! What do you want? Are you one of them? I suppose it doesn't matter if I tell you. I used to be a slave. I saw a slaver on this ship. His name is Sister. I'm afraid he's after me. Really? Oh, thank you. Can you help me? I've been so worried with him around. I can hardly sleep at night. I am at your mercy.
We should grab a drink sometime.
Check this out. Me and a couple of the boys thought you could use a cut of the loot we picked up. No problem at all.
Good to see you. Guns, guns, and more guns. What do you need? Yeah. You got some? All right, I'll just take those off your hands then. Now, let me see just how many more I need. Not bad, not bad. I still need some more, though. Keep 'em coming, man. Bye.
I've heard a few things about you.
Yes?
Hey, those ghouls won't be bothering us anymore, will they? He stays in his penthouse suite most of the time. So long as we pay the rent, he lets us live here. Of course, I have all sorts of items and themes for that place that may interest you. Sure thing. It's been a pleasure doing business. Until next we meet.
Must admit, you did good, soldier. I'm glad to have you around. I guess we could do a little trading. Here's what I got. Give me a shout if you need anything else. I still got my eye on you.
Hey.
Hi. Don't know how you did it. I'd never allow those zombies room and board. But as long as Tenpenny keeps paying me, I'll stay. Here's what I got. Thanks. Don't do anything stupid.
Yes? Hello. My boutique has many unique items for the discerning customer. It's been a pleasure doing business. Charming. Hey there. Hello. My boutique has many unique items for the discerning customer. It's been a pleasure doing business. Until next we meet.
to see you.
You looking to buy something? You need guns? I got guns. You need armor? Got that too. So long as you got the caps for 'em. Yeah. You got some? Your call, man. But if I'm gonna get this place going again, I'm gonna need a lot of something to trade. No problem, man. Take a look at this stuff. It all works, mostly. Thanks. Hey, man, come back anytime. You need guns? I got guns. You need armor? Got that too. So long as you got the caps for 'em. Sure thing, Hoss. If you see anything you want, let me know. A pleasure doing business with you. Bye.
Whoa, sorry. I'll get out of your way.
People call you clumsy.